Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we bring you live action from the crazy roads. Everything recorded on BIKERS camera is right here in one place, and this episode is going to be epic. Make sure to grab your snacks, sit tight and enjoy. In our first video, we have a crazy driver who cut the biker off without using his turn signals or checking his mirrors, and his ego got hurt when the biker flipped him off. Check out what happened next.
Wrong window, bro. That window. You badass, bro. What's he gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You a badass in a car. What you gonna do, boy?
Hello there.
Little kid waved at the biker as he passed by, so he turned around and he allowed her to rev his bike.
You can rev it up if you want. You won't break it. Just twist it that way. Yeah. Good job. Fist bump. Man.
Even though lane splitting is legal in the UK, this rude driver got mad at the biker for doing that. Instead of letting things go, this driver decided to cause a scene, and this is what happened.
Really? It's raining? Come on. It's lane splitting. It's legal. Do it! Do it! It's late. It's late. It's really.
Police officer saw a biker weaving in and out of traffic, and let's just say that he got really angry. Biker didn't notice that he was being watched, but everything changed when this officer blocked him off and got out of his car. Check it out.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot. This is why I'm hot.
The guy I've been on the state police for a long time. When I see somebody driving the way you did on 146, weaving in and out of traffic back there, and then take the exit ramp from the high-speed lane with no directional on your motorcycle, I often wonder why you guys get into accidents. Seriously, I've been in this business for 18 years. Okay, there's absolutely no reason to drive like that. Okay, 2 weeks ago, on a Sunday, I had a motorcycle, drive by the barracks, I could hear it. 2 minutes later, we got called for an accident. The kid snapped his ankle right off his leg. Okay, totally unnecessary, all right? You have a license and registration, please? I'm not going to chase you, because if I got behind you out there, you would have just taken off. No, I don't do that. But I know I'm going to do that. How is your license? What we're going to do is I'm going to pull my cruiser to the left. You're going to go right there where that car just pulled in and stop right there. Jerry.
I'm just trying to rap to get me some cash. Keep the hip hop police off my.
Stop, you can give me a hard time. I could be writing you a ticket for about $500 right now. Multiple violations, lane roadway, following too close, no turn signal and speed. Be careful on this. Have a good day.
In this situation, the biker was just riding around, but he noticed an abandoned dog at the side of the road. At first, it looked like the dog was fine, but when the biker came close, he noticed that his chain got stuck in his paw. Check out the rest of this amazing video. Now comes the scary part, as the biker wanted to test if he could get the chain out of his paw. It goes without question that doing something like this can be quite painful, and the dog might bite out of pain. You should always inspect your bike before riding out, and for numerous safety reasons. Biker's tire was in a bad shape and he crashed because of that. Despite this being a group ride, others were lucky not to be dragged in this.
I stay G'd up, it's the things and the scene I've been through that make my heart turn cold.
Hold up, he hit the pole, bruh.
If you think that riding without a helmet is not a big deal, you're sadly mistaken. A lot of bikers nowadays don't have proper gear, and this biker got pulled over because he got no helmet. Check out this crazy police encounter.
ready? Are you mad inside? Got you strapped down to your seats. Out of the door.
Just come on out and take a seat for me. Do you have any like pocket knives?
No.
I don't know about you guys, but I think that searching the biker here is a bit over the top. He didn't wear a helmet, but there was no need to assume he's a criminal, especially by his respectful manner towards the cops.
You don't have like pocket knives?
No.
Okay. Just take a seat right here. Sit down, kick your legs out, and then just cross your ankles, right? Where are you headed to right now? How far in your comfort zone, right?
No, I was walking back.
Yeah, let me have you
I
walk
work
it back.
right here.
Alright, I'm gonna have you walk it back, right? I'm not gonna cite you for not having your helmet, but at the end of the day, I mean, we're gonna pull you over. Alright. So, yeah, do me a favor, just walk it back, right?
Thank you.
Okay, you got it.
Later, man. Later.
Good job, though.
Thank you.
I think it makes sense. Don't knock it over. Alright, he's trying to. If you want, just park it and call a buddy of yours to come get it for you. You know what I'm saying?
I'll just walk it back.
Trust us, you don't have to.
It's too heavy to.
They just ride it back, but just carefully ride it back
Alright.
without crashing and killing yourself. Cool.
Alright. Thank you.
Driver in a blue car was driving while being on his phone for quite a while, and when the biker pulled up to him at the traffic lights, this guy showed no signs of remorse or anything like that. Unbelievable.
Seriously? Put your phone down, man. Incredible. Sat in there texting. Did you see me at the last lights? Watch your road. Stop texting. Stop texting! Your phone down! Clown. Idiot.
Non-native.
As this biker was waiting at the traffic lights, a huge truck took a wide turn and he nearly hit the biker head on. But that's not all when it comes to today's adventure on two wheels.
Get the Esteban. And he met a girl like a week ago and got married 3 days later, and she seems really cool. So I'm happy for them. Congratulations to the newly found. Oh, you good? You doing good? Holy woo! That was fun, boys. Holy, that was good. I love it. If you don't look.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. All the clips you saw are for educational purposes and hopefully you learned something out of them. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, because that would help us grow even more. Until the next episode, ride safe.